In this video, I'll discuss a few methods in which you can earn money online. It does require some discipline. You must take the time to learn about each of the options, to see whether or not if it will be a good fit with your experience, personality, and education. Here are 6 ways to make money online. The first option on our list, online tutoring. With the explosion in use of the internet for learning, online tutoring has become a favorite for students all over the globe. Online tutoring offers tremendous flexibility to the students as well as the tutors. One of the major advantages for tutors are that they can teach from the comfort of their homes. Another major reason for the success of online tutoring is the lower cost of tutoring. In the past, the availability of tutors were limited to those living close by to the students only. However, with online tutoring, the tutor can now be located in any corner of the world. Thus, tutors are now located in the third world countries, while being equally competent as their counterparts in the developed world. Some online tutors offer their services at much lower prices, primarily due to the difference in valuation of their currencies with the dollar. While a face-to-face tutoring session would cost nearly $70 to $100 per hour, online tutoring prices are much cheaper. Tutors in the United States can cost anywhere from $30 to $50, comparing to tutors who are located in India with a price tag of $12 to $15 per hour. Many teachers and lecturers specialized in a subject, such as English language, mathematics, Spanish, etc. They provide teaching lessons through online video tutorials. YouTube is a popular choice among those interested to share their course material online. Many students are willing to pay a small fee for their online courses. In return, the cost is much less rather than enrolling in classroom lectures. Once a course is created and uploaded for students to access, it only requires you to update information if necessary. There are a ton of websites that will pay you for tutoring services through their terms and service. So, if this fits your personality and preference, you can get started today. Next on our list is online surveys. Completing online surveys is a quick and easy way to make money. You won't earn a lot per survey, but if you're consistent, it may help to generate a few bucks per month. Companies pay good money to get opinions about their products and services from people just like you. You simply sign up at the site so that you can be notified when a survey is posted that fits your profile. Complete the survey quickly and honestly and submit it for payment. If you want to earn more, just complete more surveys. But be careful, many survey sites aren't legit and never pay out. I've included a trustworthy website that you could try if you're interested. Check the link in the description if you would like to try online surveys. Next up, data entry. You can certainly learn some money-making secrets when you choose data entry projects as your primary source of income. Choose your favorite type of data entry, whether it be writing articles, processing rebates for customers, handling databases, or other work, such as secretarial or clerical tasks. As a data entry clerk, the finished products are returned to the client, and you are paid according to per item and per transaction charge prior to accepting the work. The broad range available in the data entry field means that you can select the type of work in which you prefer to do. Next on our list, social media manager. With more and more online businesses, social media management is important to create a strong digital presence. This is a must for every business nowadays. In order to encourage visitors to the site, some of the tasks of a social media manager includes planning, implementing, managing, and monitoring companies' social media strategy in order to increase brand awareness and improve marketing focus. Essentially, small businesses or companies hire and pay social media managers to run the social aspect of their online presence. Some of the online media pages that a social media manager manages includes Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. A business who displays a strong social media presence will eventually attract visitors, which can be turned into potential customers. If you want a more further, in-depth, a quick Google search will help you to gain a more thorough understanding. Coming at number 5, ads revenue. Making money with Google AdSense. Successful bloggers make quite a lot of money from advertisements shown on their websites. It is one of the easiest revenue program to implement on your website. Google AdSense support millions of businesses online. If you are capable of drawing a lot of visitors to your website, you will make a nice profit online. There are many people that makes thousands a month, and that is just from Google AdSense. AdSense is not a get-rich-quick scheme, neither is it a scam. Google is the most trusted search engine in the world. Google earns its money from displaying adverts across its platform. This is done through a program called AdWords. AdWords is pay-per-click advertising. What this means is that advertisers only pay Google for the times that people click on the ads. So they only pay when users click on their ads. The position of ads are normally displayed on the sidebar of websites. You can have the ads displayed on your site, and every time someone clicks the ads, you will make a share of the money. To sign up for Google AdSense, you will first need to get approved. For more in-depth review about the approval process, you can visit the AdSense website. Last to make our list is selling domain names. This is an interesting activity that can bring you the necessary extra income. As you may already know, a domain name is like a virtual real estate that is worth thousands or millions of dollars if it has high commercial benefit to a potential buyer. While it is true that an empty domain can be sold for thousands of dollars, not all domains will be profitable if it is not in high demand. It is very important, as a domain flipper, to learn how to make your web property valuable, so as to attract the kind of money you are hoping to earn from a willing and able buyer. So you have to understand the specific characteristics of a domain name that potential buyers will be scrambling to possess at all costs. These characteristics, or elements of a valuable domain, are what you should consider before buying or hand registering a domain name. Be creative and find interesting names for domains. They are easy and cheap to buy, and later on, you can sell them for a profit. Before we head out, here is a bonus: online affiliate marketing. An affiliate is essentially a salesman. However, online sales are very different from a store salesman. Affiliate marketers do not need to persuade their audience. In fact, some affiliate marketers hire other people to create their websites and pay money to get their websites listed in the paid results. There are many different approaches to take as an affiliate marketer. To be successful in affiliate marketing, you should identify a niche. Choose something that you are interested in or know something about. Think about the type of things that you as a consumer purchase online. Would you recommend them to other people? Has the product met or exceeded your expectations? Next, sign up to become an affiliate. This is a simple step. Many stores and websites use affiliate niche marketing. Just look on the websites of your favorite stores for an icon that says "Become an affiliate." You will be given a tracking identification number or some banners to place on your website. These are just a few ideas on how to make money online for free. The internet is filled with opportunities for people who have more time than money on their hands. Did you find this video useful? Are you interested in finding out more how you can build a solid business online? Stay tuned for more money-making videos. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.